Here we're going to show you how to set up the Freestander motorhome awning. You can do it by yourself, or if you've got somebody with you, just to make it a bit easier. So you've got the framework and your canvas, and the first thing you'll want to do is position your poles where they need to go. Your front and your back poles are elasticated to your corners, so you know exactly where they're going, and your side poles are also elasticated. And what we're going to be doing here is we want to set the framework up, and we're going to set it up on its knees, and then we're going to slide the canvas over. So we'll get the initial square set up, and then we'll attach the legs. And like we say, we're going to want to set it up on its knees, so where you've got the elasticated joint, we're going to keep that broken down. You've got 2 back legs and 2 front legs due to the height slightly higher at the back of the Freestander, so you know exactly where they're going to be going. So this one will be at the front. Two for the back. So that's giving you your initial shape. And just before you slide the canvas on, we're just going to pop your canopy poles in at the front. And then we're ready to slide the canvas over. So you'll find the front of the awning, and at the front of the awning here you've got the opening where the canopy poles are going to go. So you're going to slide that over the front canopy pole. Get that into position. And slide the canvas back. Make sure the tunnel is over the top. So that gives you a structure of the Freestander. Now it's time to go inside and start raising the legs. And the 4 legs are the only point where you've got the extension. So we're going to take it off its knees, join the elastics together. To give it that bit of height. And now onto the front legs. And then now that we've got the legs into position, you've got your tensioner point here, and this is where your regulator tab will come into effect, and this is a crucial part. So if you're on slightly uneven ground, you've got different holes here, so you can make sure the awning is level. If you're on perfectly level ground, we tend to use the middle hole. And you've got your foot here with your flat edge, and you want that flat edge to be against the regulator tab like that. So then when you tension it up, you can then not over tension your freestander. Quickly do that now. So you can see the tension getting onto that regulator strap, giving you the tension onto the awning. Do the same onto the back legs. Then just before pegging, you'll have one final pole, and this is to go into your center roof pole. So this will clamp up into the middle at the back and onto the front. And as you can see, it's got the shape just to raise the roof into the middle and slightly tension, 2 tensioners to tension it out. On the high version, we'll need a step ladder that we pop to the clamp onto the front. The plastic protector to protect it against the canvas. Lock that clamp into place, and your center roof pole is going to run alongside that, along the seam. We'll just grab the ladder. As you can see, you've got 2 zips at the back, so you can fold your back wall up, or if you do drive away, you can zip that down and it keeps everything enclosed. Once the clamp's fitted, you can twist the pole around, extend the 2 tensioners, and that gives you the lift into the roof, stop the slope, give the slope for the water. Nice and easy to set up. Then you'll get it into position. You've got 2 ways of fitting it. You can use the tunnel at the back, and you can guy rope it straight over the top, or you can slide it into your Fiamma rail with a drive-away kit. Once in position, you'll then go on to the pegging. Starting at the back corner, working your way forward, always making sure your panels are shut. Final adjustments, and there you have the Freestander for the motorhomes.